This is Sunday, January 25th, 2026. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. This video will be the sixth time I am making a video or during a live program, and I called for the protection of some generals in the Nigerian army. I don't do this always. The first one, the second one, the third one, I did that because those generals were genuinely fighting for the people. And I see that people who are sponsoring the terrorists, their sympathizers, they don't like it and they might go after these people. Two of them have been retired now. One is still in the acting service. Then the fourth one was General Oba. General Oba was captured by ISIS, by ISWAP to say, okay? Major General Oba was captured by ISWAP some time ago. And when ISWAP captured him, he escaped. After escaping, he sent an emergency message SOS to his counterpart for rescue. Unfortunately, the message that we got was the message he sent forth to other Nigerian soldiers exposed him more. And after the 2 days, ISWAP released the video where they were shooting him. It was so unfortunate, and that was an unpopular statement I made during the live broadcast that time. I said, this man is fighting genuinely. He's leading soldiers to fight these terrorists genuinely, that he should be protected. His death was, a heartbreak to me that time, but people never understand why I was so sad when that Hausa man died. It was because the man was fighting genuinely. My concept and ideology is simple. Anybody who is fighting for the people, sacrificing your life for the people, should be protected, should be appreciated. Not people who are colluding with the terrorists, not people who are making sure that they suppress the truth and so on and so forth. Now, this is the fifth time, and I want you to pay attention in this video. There are two persons you are seeing on the screen right now. They are the second sector commander and the third sector commander. The one with salutation, the one putting his hand on his head, is a Major General Paul. Okay, Major General Paul Bengba. He is a sector commander, the second sector commander of Operation Fazan Yaman. And the third person, the commander of the third sector, that is the man you are seeing with microphone, okay? His name is Major General Chinedu Nabife, okay? Nabife. Now, these people assumed as sector commander some months ago, and most terrorists are regretting, most people are regretting after that, because these people, I have been monitoring the operation, I have been monitoring the activities. Sometimes if I come here to, air my dissatisfaction of Nigerian soldiers or police or Nigerian government colluding with terrorists, people will think that I don't know what I'm talking about. This is because you don't know, okay? Most of the activities and the operations, we monitor them. We know what is going on. So these two people, two major generals, the sector they are commanding, maybe you can also go and verify what I'm saying, this Operation Fazan Yaman, these people have been killing a lot of these Islamic extremists and terrorists, the bandits, the ISWAP. See, these people are doing extremely well, but there is a problem. There is a problem. What happened to Oba should not happen to these people. These people, few months, they assume as sector commanders have been able to recover more than 2,000 guns. From my record, I might be wrong, okay? They have killed more than 900 bandits for a few months. From my record, I might be wrong, okay? Now, the issue here is simple. Remember that Christopher Musa was warned by some northern leaders who are clerics to say that he should not fight the bandits, he should not kill the bandits. I'm not saying that Christopher Musa is the one killing them, because these people have assumed their sector command before Christopher Musa became Minister of Defense. Don't quote me wrong. But I'm just trying to tell you, if they can warn Minister of Defense not to kill the terrorists, these people who are killing terrorists are not safe. In this video, I'm not going to go more details. I'm just going to speak in a shallow form. Anybody who understands what I'm saying can, get what I mean by these things. These people who are terror sympathizers sponsoring these people, they are mad with these two people right now. They are not happy with these two people right now. What happened to General Oba should not happen to this Major General Paul, is it Benga? No, not Benga, okay, and this Major General Chinedu. What happened to Oba should not happen to these people. I am not going to speak deeply about this, but the people who are sponsoring these terrorists that these people are killing, they are not happy. These two people, I have been monitoring their operations. They are trying their best, unfortunately, in a compromised system. Unfortunately, in a system that is not going to work again. People are not happy with these two men. We have had records. We have had records of testimonies of major generals. Some of them, we even give them courage to go to national television, and they went. And most of these videos they made on Arise News and Chinese television, you see them confessing that they were arrested, they were sacked, they were this just for fighting terrorists. There is a point we are making this video. Nobody should touch these people. They are doing their best. And the last thing, briefly, I'm going to say, or like in form of advice I'm going to give to these two major generals, is that they should have team in their team. This is what I mean. What led to the death of Oba is that Oba don't have team in his team. He was carrying everybody along. Like, he trusts everybody around him. He was leading them. They were fighting so well. But his message he sent forth for rescue that exposed his location more is a question and something that nobody probed it. They did not probe it. That is to say, there are some people in the military there who were strategic in collaborating with ISWAP that killed the man. That is just it. And if you want to know who collaborated with other militaries to kill the man, you must also think about who made the call that withdraw the Nigerian soldiers from Catholic school before the helicopter and the vehicles came to kidnap all of them. Who made that call? These people are not happy when these bandits are being killed because they are working in collaboration with them. Most Nigerian politicians collaborate with terrorists. They have the same idea. They are fighting for the same thing. They are fighting for the same thing. So, my advice for these people is to have a team inside your team. More trusted allies. People who can leak secret for you when they have been approached to take you down. That is it. And another thing here is that you see the war against insurgency in Nigeria. I have said this time without number. If you give me opportunities to solve this problem will be solved by two ways. Number one is that there is nothing someone who believes in Sharia is doing with another person who did not believe in Sharia in one country. It does not exist. You are setting up a death trap. When I mean in Sharia law, I'm not talking about the kind of Sharia law we have in Kenya, in Russia, and some other part of countries where it is just for marriages. No. I'm talking about Sharia law that teaches a child to kill me from his childhood. That teaches a child that I am an enemy from his childhood. Why people are teaching me not to kill, not to steal, to love, you are teaching another person to kill me. That is the thing that is breeding all this insecurity. It is Sharia. So it's either you understand this or you did not understand it. It's simple. It's a global problem. Before you started quoting climate change. This is a global problem. It is happening in America, in UK, many places. It is happening everywhere. So these people has nothing to do with another person living in the same country. So if you give me opportunity to solve this problem, first of all, anybody who carries gun to kill people should be wiped away. That is my own idea. They should be resisted by all means. They should be killed. But if you continue to fight, you won't get the result. You have to confine these people to their country. If you believe in Sharia, stay in your Sharia country. People who don't believe in Sharia, stay in your country. People who have different ideas should stay in different countries. Why on earth will someone who said he or she has brain to believe that you being in a country with someone who believes in Sharia will guarantee your peace? What word can someone who finished secondary school, or you have a diploma, or you have a BSc, and you come out to think that you are in a country with people who believe in radical... See, you see this Sharia kind of thing, there are some countries, fear will not let them to talk because they have not started, radicalizing people. They are just having Sharia for marriages, like in Kenya. So they don't do all these things. But in this Nigeria, they have their police, they have their court, they have they put it in constitution in different manners, like they radicalize people. And their mission is to Islamize the nation. So that is why you will see most of the clerics will tell you that Boko Haram is a blessing to northern Muslims. Like Sheikh Ahmed Gumi was quoted in the newspaper. I still have the newspaper up to today. And so many other people like that. Sani Yerima said it's ambition of the whole Muslim in Nigeria to turn Nigeria into a Sharia state. Turning Nigeria into a Sharia state means you will kill me because I'm not going to agree with you. And in the Sharia law, if I did not believe, I have to start paying tax. If I did not pay tax, you will kill me. Do you now get it? So the insecurity is not going to end. Apart from killing people who are terrorists, it won't stop it. Oh. What will stop all these things is if this country will come together and say, listen, we've got to return the way we were before 1940, before the Britain came to amalgamate us. The British that amalgamated Nigeria, then today now, they can't live with those people they call immigrants in their country who believe in Sharia. They are saying they should go back to their country. But they amalgamated us, and someone is there speaking grammar to you that people who are saying Nigeria should, be divided or partitioned, that they don't know what they are talking about. It is matter of time. We are here watching the whole thing. Let's see how things are unfolding. At the end, we'll understand who is right and who is wrong. Maybe your children or your children's children will wake up in a world where they don't even know their root any longer. Because Sharia fights culture, it fights your constitution, it fights everything about you. Don't forget that Nigerian constitution don't have right against Sharia in Nigeria. Go and think about this.